Peppa is waking up this morning.
Oh, good morning. Hello.
And she goes down the
Go
stairs.
down. Oops. Okay, I will stand up again. Okay.
And George is also waking up.
Oh, good morning. Oh, I also want to go down. Bring here the
He
stairs.
also wants to go down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hi, Peppa. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, George. How are you? I'm fine. How do you
Squirrel and Frog are Peppa and George friends.
Brock, 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 brock. Beep, 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 beep. Hi, Squirrel. Hi, Frog. Would you like to play together? Yes, that would be a great idea. Psik, 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 yeah, psik, yes, sure, psik, psik. Yay!
Here comes a new friend, the elephant. And another friend, the dog.
Yeah, wonderful idea. Wow, let's play together. Wanna go around the water fountain? Yay, great. What? Faster. Let's go. Faster. All right, here we go. Faster. All right, here I go. Run. Okay, a bit slow, but okay, I'm coming. Hurry, faster. Peppa is coming. Oh, I'm feeling so tired. Me too. I just want to rest in bed.
And after playing, they became tired and want to rest. Peppa wants to lay down on the sofa and have a good time of rest. George also wants to sit next to Peppa on the sofa. As for the dog, it wants to sit right next to Peppa and George. Elephant wants to rest in the TV room. As for the squirrel, it wants to rest in one of the bedrooms. The frog as well, going up next to Squirrel.